afternoon, Sir Jerome. I am Olarico Campo from BS Ed Math 2A. So, the given problem that I have been choosing is the problem number 9, in which to find the distance between the parallel lines 2x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0. So, here's my solution. 2x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0 is our line 1, and 4x minus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0 is our line 2, and these both lines or equations are given. So always remember that in finding the distance between the parallel lines, we always use the formula of d is equal to c sub 2 minus c sub 1 is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared, in which the value of a and b must be the same. So, as we have noticed that in these two given equations or lines, the value of a and b are not the same. So, in able to find the another equation that will be having or having or have been the same value of a and b, we simply think a number or a common product of these both equations. So we find out that 2 is the common product of these both equations. 2 times 2 is 4 copy x, and 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 copy y, and 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 2 times 0 is equal to 0. And now is our line 3, or our equation number 3 is 4x minus 6y minus 6 is equal to 0. As we can see, this line 2 and line 3 have now both, the value of a and b are now both similar or the same. So now we can use now the formula of finding the distance between the parallel lines. D is equal to c sub 2 minus c sub 1 over the square root of a squared plus b squared. So here are the given values. C sub 2 is equal to 5, c sub 1 is equal to negative 6, a is equal to 4, and the value of b is negative 6. We simply substitute the given value, in which c sub 2 is positive 5 and c sub 1 is negative 6. So the operation here is subtraction, and the sign of 6 is negative. So we simply move to the next operation, in which it will become a addition. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11, and the value of a is 4 and the value of b is negative 6. So 4 squared is equal to 4 squared plus negative 6 squared will result to the square root of 52. So 11 divided by the square root of 52 is 1.53. So now our distance between the parallel lines 2x minus 3y is equal to 0 and 4x minus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0 is 1.53 units. That's all. Thank you.